Yes. If the velocity of a particle is v is equals to at plus bt square is given. Solution, Anna. I'm solving the question. So v is equal to given what? V is equals to at plus bt square is a given thing. Let it be equation number 1. Next, after that, what is going on here, Nana? Yes, where A, capital A and capital B are the constants. Simply those are the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that numbers. And then the distance traveled by it between, so t is equals to between 1 second and 2 seconds. So initial time is 1 second, final time is 2 seconds. And initially it was at particular distance, or let us consider it was at a 0 distance. Then what is the total distance traveled by the particle? So for that purpose, you know very well, velocity v is equals to ds by dt, the time rate of change of displacement or distance. Right, Nana? So the time rate of change of distance or displacement, ds by dt. D by dt of s. S is what is given here, Nana? V is given. That's why. So I'm cross multiplying this one. I'm sending this dt to this side. V dt is equals to ds.
Yes.
Right, Nana? Right, Nana? I'm integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides.
Both sides.
Right, Nana? From where to where? What is given? 1 second to 2 seconds. So limits are given. Yes. Here variable is what, Nana? T. Here variable is what, Nana? S.
Yes.
It is from 0 to S. Let it be started from 0 distance. From here to there. It is, let us consider origin. Right, Nana? From here to there it is traveling. So limits are required here because the conditions are given. So t is from 1 second to 2 seconds. Distance is 0 meters to some s meters. Right, Nana? So from where to where? Integrating on both sides. Integral v dt. Here t is there, variable. So from where to where? 1 second to 2 seconds. Next, after that, integral ds. From where to where? 0 to s. Actually, the distance is not given, but I want to calculate the distance. So v is what, Nana? The given from equation number 1. Just I am substituting here. So integral 1 second to 2 second. V is nothing but a at plus bt square dt is equals to. It is not there. Nothing is here. Right, Nana? 0 to s. 1 is there. So nothing is nothing but a 1 is there. 1 nothing but a s power 0 ds. Right, Nana? So then after that, integral 1 second to 2 second, and splitting this one. Someone is making noise, Nana. We are getting some resound. Please check it. Check it once, Nana. All are disturbing due to you only. Who is that guy, Nana? Right. Happy. Now you're happy. Right. 1 second to 2 second. At dt plus integral 1 second to 2 seconds. Bt square dt is equals to integral s power 0, s power n, x to the power of n dx form. So x to the power of n dx form nothing but a simply it is looking like a, first of all I'm writing like that only because at there I'm calculating s power 0 ds. Right, now a is a constant outside. Integral 1 second to 2 second. T power 1 dt plus B outside integral 1 second to 2 seconds. Then T square dt is equals to integral 0 to s power 0 ds. Now I am applying the formula. It is x to the power of n dx. It is also looking like x to the power of n dx. It is also looking like x to the power of n dx. Now tell me, anyone, what is the formula? Integral x to the power of n dx
X to
formula.
the power n plus 1. X to
By
the power n
X to the
plus 1
power
by
n
n plus
plus 1.
1.
X to the power of n plus 1 by
n
n
plus
plus
1.
right.
X to
So t to
plus
the power
1.
of 1 is there. T to the power of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. From where to where, Nana? 1 second to 2 second. A is
2
here.
seconds.
Now B is here. Now here also t to the power of. Tell me, Nana. T to the power of 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Right, Nana? So 1 second to 2 seconds is equals to. Now here s power 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1. From where to where, Nana? 0 to
0 plus 1.
0
0
to
to
s
seconds.
seconds. Sorry, distance, Nana. ID. Yes. A t square by 2. From where to where? 1 second to 2 seconds. That is equals to. Plus B t cube by 3. From where to where, Nana? 1 second to 2 seconds is equals to s power s power 0 plus 1 1 s power 1 s by 1
1.
yes only 0 to s. Is it okay, Nana? Up to here clear? I think. Now A, I want to substitute the upper limits. 0 seconds. Actually, I am substituting. 2 seconds. 2 I am substituting instead of t. So 2 square by 2 minus 1 square by 2 plus B into. Tell me, Nana. 2 cube by 3 minus. Tell me, 2 cube by 3 minus 1 cube,
1 cube by 3.
by 3 is
1
equals to
cube.
s minus 0. A into 2 square by 2, Nana. 4 by 2. 2
2.
square equal to. Right, Nana? 2 minus 1 by 2 plus B into 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is equal to s minus 0. S minus 0 S, Nana. Right? So finally 2 into 2 4 minus 1. I am doing LCM. 3 by 2 plus 8 minus 1 B into 7 by 3 is equals to S. So the distance is how much? 3 by 2A
3
plus.
by 2A.
Yes, I am writing here. Yes, sorry, getting. Now here I am writing, see there, answer, final answer. The total distance traveled by the particle is 3 by 2 capital A plus 7 by 3 capital B meters it was traveling. It was traveled. Right, Anna? Is there any option? Option. Anna, which option it is?
A option.
Tell me, option? A, na?
Option A.
Yes, option A is the correct answer. These questions are all asked in the previous examination, Anna. These are not a silly questions. They are very, very, very important concepts. Previous questions actually. So in the IIT JEE mains, NEET examination, MSET examination, like that examinations, they asked this type of questions. These questions only, not this type of questions. That's why I have sent you in the WhatsApp group. But somebody just at least how many of you seen this question? No one is there. How, Nana? By seeing these questions, you are getting some doubts. You can interact with me. You can clarify the doubts. So like that, you will get the answers. Otherwise, you will get the problem solving. You can approach the problem solving method. So otherwise you are not getting. Okay, Nana, just always try to live your level best. Whether you get or not, you don't worry about that. Don't think about that. But you will get some clarity about the subject. Nana, I am saying always in the very good institutions, someone is making disturbance. Nana, please identify yourself and mute yourself only. Right, Nana. See here, always we are attempting the examinations. I'm giving one small universal truth. By attempting the large number of examinations, you will get the, first of all, confusion. Confusion, Nana. Definitely you will get the confusion. Confusion, definitely you will get the clarity. Definitely you can do the mistakes. Always. Definitely, not only you, definitely every person, me also. Definitely you can do the mistakes. But in the first examination, what is there like this, our situation? What is there? What I want to do? I don't know anything. Like this in the first examination. In the second, same topic, suppose if you are writing the examination on the same topic second time, then yes, I know that. I'm not doing, I'm not just able to do the problems, but I know that. I know the theory. I know the concepts. You have to be a little bit try to apply that to solve the problems. Then after that, third time, suppose if you third time revise the topic only, that topic only, then you will get some clarity. Yes, like this, we can approach the problem, solving method of the problem. So then fourth time, definitely you can do at least out of 5 problems, at least 1 problem you can do. That 1 problem gives you lot of confidence. So otherwise, like this method only, you have to be solved like that only. Not all problems, not all concepts. You have to be learned. So some small parts, as a small different parts. But you are ready to when you are ready to go to solve the problems like this only. This is but you are up to now till now also you didn't know the questions actually. At least where are the questions? Where is the questions? Where I am sending the question? Then what are the questions? How many are there? What are the questions? And those questions are on which topic? You don't know. Then what I do? Actually, kinematics. I am discussing about the under the science part. We are discussing about the physics. Under the physics part, we are discussing about the mechanics. Under that mechanics, we are discussing about the kinematics. Before going to the kinematics, before going to discuss the mechanics, definitely we must know about the mathematical tools. It is not there in the syllabus, actual syllabus. It is a particular weightage. It doesn't have any particular weightage, but it is more helpful to solve the problems. I'm not going to directly to the mathematical tools. I'm explaining the kinematics. Where I want to the little bit mathematics, and there only I am explaining the mathematics also. So and applying application method also I am giving to you. So at the time I am giving 2 different situations, 2 different methods I am giving to you. So this kinematics, I am going actually from 20 days we are discussing the kinematics only. We are going deep discussion. We are going to discuss a very deep. So brief explanation completed. Major differentiation, integration. These are belongs to the mathematical tools actually, right, Nana? So these concepts, these differentiation and integration concepts are completely belongs to mathematical tools chapter. But I am discussing here. Why? Here without differentiation, without integration. This is a differentiation. This is the integration. This is the differentiation. This is the integration. Definition based on the differentiation, solving method is completely depends on the integration. Then how can you do the problem? How can you solve the question?